So the only reason we're selling this is I have two and we don't have enough parking spaces at our house. I've always kept up with this car and it's always been running really good. So it's relatively clean in here. Alright, so I pulled over to a parking lot and took some photos. We're gonna create a listing for this car and list it for sale. So I use Facebook Marketplace to list a lot of cars and motorcycles that I sell. And it seems like that's the place to go now. Used to use Craigslist back in the day, but I don't think people really go on Craigslist as much. But this has worked well. We're getting a lot of interest. Hey everyone, today's gonna be the last day. I have two ZDXs. We have somebody purchasing our 2010 black Acura ZDX. But I'm gonna go ahead and drive it today. I'm gonna miss this thing. Well, let's go for a drive. So here's the current mileage right now. 234,675. The 5 is backwards. I never caught it. 234,567. I was hoping to, but I looked away for a little bit, and then right when I looked back at the gauge instrument cluster, it passed. But that's pretty close. 234,675. My last drive in the 2010 Acura ZDX. This is basically what started the YouTube channel. So I'm gonna miss it. We have the 2013 Acura ZDX still, and I don't plan on getting rid of that anytime soon. It'll probably be the last day I have this car. It has a clear Florida title. I think the new owner is getting a really good deal. Yeah, I just need to clear out some room at my place. So we're gonna go ahead and let it go for cheaper than what I really wanted to get for it. All right, so I'm meeting the prospective buyer here at and we're just gonna do all the paperwork inside as well. It's pretty safe when you meet for private sales at the bank. So then you know the money can be accounted for and deposited right away, so I don't have to carry around cash. Yeah, it's been a great car. I love this thing. The only reason we're selling is we have too many cars. We have our the gray 2013 ZDX as well. But if I didn't have the 2013, I would definitely keep this one. Just making a video real quick. Yeah. My wife was so sad to see it go. It was our first family car. All right, everyone. Well, we have a buyer for the 2010 Acura ZDX, and we got all the paperwork done. It's time to say goodbye. But I'm sure we sold it locally, so I'll see the ZDX driving around, hopefully, and I'll wave whenever I see him around. Yeah, sad to see it go.